and RJR Camino coaching.
Unang dalawang laro po, kaliwat kanan po.
Ronnie Alonte!
Curva. Alonte for 3. Alonte gets it back. Another
Going back to a player but still
Vigil, what Coach Boyd Fernandez has drawn up here para sa
play para kay Kenny.
Sean McCarthy, welcome to the MPBL.
And there's a
Big spin and Aleta, the end one up. JJ takes it, hand in the face. No! Continues to hum offense. First time handling this player as Corbin. Manalang comes JJ Helterbrand. So we're at 13-8, so they're 2 wins away. Corner of Curva decides to take it for a crossover behind the back. He loses it. Molod. I recall as Ludovice puts it up. No foul. Into Chan, who is now doubled here in the corner. He needs help. Fire. He's fouled there by Maestre. Ludovice forced to put Jill. Awkward looking up and on the back of the ball. That's an offensive foul on Joseph.
Step back and kiss myself. Big time plays make big time plays.
Your very own from Barangay Canlalay, Ronnie Alonte! And RJR Camino, coaching consultant, Chris.
Kanilang kubanan with Kenny Rocacorva being the only scorer. Rocacorva had 20 points against Zamboanga and he's picking up from where he left off in that game, scoring the first basket. City, but Coach Boyd Fernandez not the first time handling this player, as Conito mentioned. Naglaro na para sa kanya this game. Piti lang na ngayon dumating si Rashawn McCarthy this late in the season. Could have used him.
Gonna play already. Pardy sa Bacolod just signing a contract in the PBA. Going back to a player but still
at the sideline. Miss Loisa Andalio always in attendance. To Gimpayan, overshoots the layup. Offensive rebound to Kenny Rocacorva. Alonte for 3. Good line, just too strong. Ludovice working the 2-man game with Vigil. Louis 3 for 3. That's money for Louis Vigil. Zion always in support of his team here, the Binyanta Takchel. And there's another basket para kay Louis Vigil.
hindi pinapawisan on getting those points.
Louis Vigil averages, to be exact, 25.6 points, but there was one point where it was ranging around as well. You imagine the amount of experience that they have. Alonte will line it up for another 3-point attempt. That was way short. Alonte gets it back. Another attempt, and he is fouled there by Antiporda. Obvious hit on Ronnie.
Green light para
defense. Lopez spots for 3. That's nothing but bottom. Para not see any floor burn. Manalang, first attempt is good.
Ang dalawang laro po, kaliwat kanan po ang usog ng aming
Bulawan. Hands it off to Tricky. Pero Mingan trying to lose Gray but knocks down the fadeaway. Track down that pass. Trying to back down Danny Marilao here. Marilao stays with KG but Canaleta able to drain it.
I don't know if it was you I was talking about, but we were that slam to make an impact, but that 2 points will still be the same.
Talking about impact, Robbie.
That already 5 here in the first quarter.
Marilao drops a pass to Bulawan. That's 2 points. Helterbrand working the 2-man game there with Mike Maestre. Canaleta flashes down low and gets the step on Danny Marilao.
Wow.
Story 10-0 in that department.
It is actually what is keeping Bacolod alive here in this ball game. That
on that jumper, here comes JJ Helterbrand. It's the push there on Ivan Ludovice. No offensive foul. Marilao able to get by Robbie Manalang. Impressive finish. Tapo dito si Danny Marilao. And that's why Decoy Lopez is at the scorer's table along with Ian Pardo. Raimundo turns the corner. Kicks it out. Manalang, the extra pass. Chan, corner pocket 3. That's money for title generals. Para dito kay Coach Boyd Fernandez, Mamboy Raimundo is definitely top on his list as Decoy. After the timeout, let's see what Coach Boyd Fernandez has drawn up here para sa Binyan. And it's actually a drive to the basket para kay Kenny.
comfortable attacking left. And that was an easy attack on that last play para kay Kenny.
Sean McCarthy, welcome to the MPBL.
And there's a reason why he played in the
Rebound taken there by Tricky Peromingan. McCarthy swings it to Vigil. Louis from the outside rattles it home.
These two.
Sean McCarthy between the legs. Shot from the outside, nailed. Sean McCarthy, Tricky, unable to get it through. Now Peñarandon the back of the ball. That's an offensive foul on Joseph.
That's good deep
Sees Roca Curva open from the corner, knocks it down.
Much needed para dito.
Three-pointer number 5 for the Tatakjel. Ludovice, floater in the lane, rattles it home against Gimpayan. Number 14, ang kanilang place sa ating team standings. Pamboy Raimundo open up scoring festivity.
In your home court, so Coach Boyet already trusting one of the best fives right away inside the court.
Behind the Parañaque Patriots, who are at 13-8, so they're 2 wins away from tying the Patriots right now. Coach Alex Cabagnot, Raimundo circling around the shaded area. Bounce pass to Gimpayan, gets position against Antiborda. It scores plus the foul. Yan on the counter here. Lopez was wide open on the right corner. Roca Curva decides to take it for himself. The double black eye as Canaleta asking for it against Lopez. Quick spin, Canaleta, the end one opportunity.
The drop step of KG Canaleta is just too deadly.
The lead by 2. Vigil crossover behind the back, loses it. Lopez brings it across. 3-on-2. Lopez fakes a pass, eventually getting it to Gimpayan, and he scored.
That's a good answer coming from Antiporda.
Remember this third quarter, the same quarter where in Batangas City was
Coming from those 2 young guns.
Pero Mingan, another 3 there para sa Bacolod. Ludovice, slight hesitation, puts on the brakes and gets the fall away to drop. Tough in this lineup para sa Bacolod. I recall one of the games of Bacolod where Ludovice was really tasked to do almost everything para sa kanilang kupunan, at sa dulo, nagka-cracks na siya.
Ito si Ivan because he puts a lot of pressure on defense.
Well, that will put a lot of pressure. Carthy in and out, shovels a pass. Ludovice puts it up. No foul called on the reverse. Chan asking for it down low against Lopez. Lopez trying to pull the chair. And Tyron Chan still able to maintain his back. Helterbrand bounces it off again to Chan, who is now doubled here in the corner. He needs help, but there's a foul there against Ian Pardo. A little too over-aggressive.
Execute.
Gray against the much smaller Ian Pardo. Jonathan Gray with the right hand.
That's a good read.
Vigil catch and fire. He's fouled there by Maestre. Ooh, this is not good. Take a look at that again. Well behind the 3-point line, and then there, Maestre. Yep, definitely landed on the foot there.
That's gonna be huge because they're down 4. They're down 4. So this might be.
But he has a mismatch against Maestre. Ludovice forced to put up a hard shot there. Oh, Tyron Chan left wide open. That's a clean look from downtown. Galing kay Tyron Chan. That door shut on him. Vigil, awkward looking jumper, but still manages to get it as a foul away from Chan. He gets it to Roca Curva. Kenny pips it up and in, left hand finish. Short. Barely grazing the front of the rim. Gray all the way for 2.
Vintage Jonathan Gray. Good shots off here in the 4th quarter.
They're just 1 out of 9 here in this period. Tyron Chan extends the lead. Trifecta. Not quite there para sa kanila. 1 out of 13 now for Bacolod. While Binyan continues to hum offensive with 4 on shot clock. JJ takes it, hand in the face, no problem. Mr. Fast, JJ Helterbrand delivering in the clutch.
He's an MVP.
20-4 ang ating tala sa quarter na ito. Ronnie Alonte coming in to try and join in on the party. Pero Mingan drops it off. Vigil, blocked there by Maestre, but the foul called.
Then para dito sa Bacolod, how do you finish games? We've seen a lot of these for Bacolod. They fight it out until the 1st to the 3rd quarter, but in the 4th.
Pero Mingan shovels it inside. Vigil fouled there by Ronnie Alonte. 32.9 seconds remaining in this game. If Vigil makes both free throws, they're on to see if this is indeed going to end up in a victory or a loss for Binyan. That's not going to help their cause. And Bacolod with another chance here. Alonte turning the ball. Oh, he's been able to get to this kind of total. Roca Curva will get it across to Alonte, who will attempt once more. It's short, but this time it hits the rim. Pero Mingan, breakaway. Oh, still a miss. And that's just the story of the game.
You don't like that! You don't like NBA basketball!